Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S9. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the message tone. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody who is looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go into our settings. I go to settings by scrolling down and hitting the little gear icon on the top right. And from here, the second option down is sounds and vibrations. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and just scroll down till you see the notification sounds. Go ahead and select that. And from here on the notification sounds, there is a list of them. My Verizon phone is set to the Verizon Alert, which sounds similar to that. You can go ahead through here and pick any kind that you like, anything that you find that sounds the best. Once you have it set, you just go ahead and go hit the back arrow button. As we can see that our notification sound has been changed to Charming Bell. So just like that, we have changed it. So that is how to change your notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy S9. Once again, if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody looking for this information, please go ahead and share it with them. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Samsung Galaxy S9, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.